Good morning students. Today we discuss about the nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor is a machine that generate electricity on a large scale by using atomic energy. Now see, in the nuclear reactor, this is the arrangement of nuclear reactor. In this, nuclear energy in atom is released by bringing about nuclear reaction on the nuclear fuel. Let us understand a nuclear reaction with example of a nuclear fuel, namely uranium-235. Let's understand it. Now we see that nuclear energy is converted into electrical energy by large scale. Here, see here, this is the arrangement of nuclear reactor. Where this is the building, we see this container, that is the containment. In this containment, there are large number of uranium atoms, that is the radioactive elements. Here, this is the generator by which, and this, if we see here, it is the controller. Now the function, that is the functioning of container. In the container, there are uranium atom, large amount of which is packed here, and these rods, these rods are here insert in these machines. Now it is near about 100 uranium elements here, that this will be fixed. Now here there is the moderator. If we see here, this is the moderator, that is the graphite. It is used to reducing the speed of neutrons. Now here the process is that this uranium atom, in uranium atoms the fission process is start, that is the nuclear fission. Now see how this process is start. In uranium atom, neutrons, the flow of neutrons, one neutron is bombarded and then it break into two nucleons. Now here we see that these two uranium atom with release of large amount of energy, and also 3 neutrons is released, and these 3 neutrons bombarded on the 3 uranium atom, and again 3 atoms will be released, and here large amount of energy is released. Now here this is the heavy water. Inside this heavy water is also there. We know that heavy water is made up of by deuterium, that is the deuterium. Hydrogen which is used in this is deuterium, and this heavy water is used in this container which is reduce the speed of also neutrons, that is the as a controller. Now here this energy is passes through this container where water is kept. By boiling this water, vapors are formed, and these vapors are transmitted to a generator. And now here we see the turbines. Here we see that the processes take place and electricity is generated. Now see, this electricity generated is transmitted to other places.